Welcome to Bali.
Welcome to Bali. You watching my video? Thank you, brother. Thank you. YouTube.
TikTok.
YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
Yeah.
Hi.
Welcome to Bali. Give me five. Give me five. Woo. Woo. Give me five, brother. Welcome to Bali. Wow. $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, man.
Hey, shy, bro.
Hey, shy, bro.
It's better than that down in Australia.
Yeah.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Legian Bali at Garlic Lane. And over usually stuff from Padma Beach Resort. Let me show you around here. Was so busy around here. Was good.
Welcome to Bali.
Welcome to Bali. You watching my video? Thank you, brother. Thank you. Sounds so good. They know me. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Oh, really happy. Yeah. Today I will make video stuff from Padma Legian Bali Resort. And let me show you how busy in this area today. This is big resort, and there is have a restaurant just by the beach. Just very nice. And today I record this video on 9 of August 2026. And now it's 5 p.m. Let me show you how busy Garlic Lane Legian Bali today. Woo. Quiet, isn't it? Let's cross the street first. Let's see at the side. Because here there is a famous restaurant also we call Fresco. Maybe busy. Oh, it's better. Wow, futures over there is good. Hello. Yeah, futures over there is good. Hello. How was it? Good?
Good.
Bin-
Siapa nama?
Nama saya Achonk.
Achonk.
I just make YouTube.
TikTok.
YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
Yeah.
Hi.
Welcome to Bali. Give me five. Give me five. Woo. 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 Beautiful smile. Dari mana Anda?
Nah, malu-malu kucing.
Oh, malu-malu kucing. Tapi kucingnya tak ada. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah, if you turn left, there is the way to go to Padma Utara Street. And there is what is that? This is a Y bar over there. Wow, busy here. That's good. More trees in this area. At Poster Pub also, a lot of trees over there. It's good. Let's make cross street and let's see at Poster Pub area. But yeah, as usually I will make videos without skip because I want to show you the real session at the moment in Padma Legian Bali and also Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Wow, this over there is good. A lot of trees around here. Just so good, isn't it? Hello, welcome to Bali. Wow, my wife. Wow, big party. That's good. What's happening? You need ride? Yeah, in this area it's always busy because the most legend area in Legian Bali now, and also recommended to stay in this area because there is few nice restaurants, easy to do shopping, and walking distance to the Legian Beach Bali. Just walking distance. Just soon as to stay around here. Busy, isn't it? Busy, busy, busy. Hello. Wow, some loud music from the big bus. Wow. Speak louder, please. Speak louder than the music. So busy. So many tourists over there. And this is hostel, also have restaurant, and there is like just by the pool. Wow, looks busy over here. It's good. Okay, now we are at the junction at Garlic Lane Legian Bali, and for sure we hope together we will see a lot of tourists at Garlic Lane Legian Bali today. This afternoon on 5 p.m. 9 of August 2026. Yeah, this is Padma Street. Wow, busy, busy, busy. Hello. Wow, busy, busy, busy. A lot of tourists here. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Give me 5. Give me 5, brother. Welcome to Bali. Wow, you have beautiful smile, brother. That's good. Busy, isn't it? Okay, now I will cross the street because I will make video at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Let me show you a little bit in this area. Rama Garden. They have restaurant and also they have seafood. Yeah, this is a seafood. Also nice. We have king lobster here. King and queen. Wow, cross street, a lot of trees over there. Busy, isn't it? That's good. See? Wow, that's good. And this is Rama Garden. Not a dinner time yet, so that's why it's not really busy yet, but soon we'll be busy in this restaurant. Okay, let's keep continue walking at Garlic Lane Legian Bali, and let's see together how busy Garlic Lane Bali today. Maybe we cross. Yeah. Yes, yes. Always, always. Be careful, be careful. Shopping. And this is, yeah, this is Ambient Spa. And my viewers from Australia, his name is Chris, tell me it's nice to having a spa over there because Trappist is experienced. Wow. Hello. Wow, hello, hello. Yeah, the weather today just so beautiful. I mean, like it's very hot, sunny, but not really hot because we got wind, so that's why it's so humid. Wow, a lot of tourists here having party. That's good. Looks so busy, isn't it? Also across the street. Yeah, the wind is quite strong. I get so sorry if my voice is not really clear because I didn't use wireless microphone yet. I hope I will have one soon and make better quality for audio. So noisy. I mean, with the cars, motorbike around here. Wow, happy restaurant, quiet. Yeah, because now it's not a dinner time yet. Even at the local restaurant, also not really busy yet. Yeah, future is over there, but not really busy yet. What do you think in this area? Not so bad, also not so good. Usually always busy in this area. And this is $1 man. Mark, $1 man, Mark. $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1 man.
Esai, bro.
Esai, bro.
Berapa, bos?
Iya, iya lo lah. Apa boleh sih kalau aku? $1 man. Hey brother, how are you, brother? Good night. Always good. Always good. I'm always good, like you.
Sexy.
Where do you come from?
Aussie land.
Aussie land. Very bad.
Uni.
$1, $1. Hey, bro.
Uni. Country.
Oh, very bad.
Melbourne.
Uh-huh.
Sydney. Halfway. 5 hours to each place.
Oh, right. I got a customer south of Sydney. Wollongong, Aladala. Yeah. It's very beautiful there.
Yeah, very nice.
Been Bali many times before?
4 hours drive.
Oh, from where? From your home?
My home to there. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
From the country to the coast.
Not so far. Woohoo! Hello. Big group. That's good. This group. They are a big group. Yeah, I'm sorry about the quality of camera because I'm moving all the time. Boss, masuk boleh, boss? Masuk boleh, Pak? Oh. Yeah, across the street there is a restaurant. Even your restaurant, they're recommended because my viewer told me there's nice food over there. Hello, big boy, good. See the restaurant here also very recommended. Even there's no restaurant, but recommended. And this is Billy's Sport Bar, the Legend Sport Bar at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. And usually I was busy there, you see? A lot of tourists over there is good. Busy. Hey, mate. Billy's Sport Bar. Always the best. Where do you come from, brother?
Better than a bad day in Australia.
Yeah. Pretty cold in Australia now.
Ah, lovely.
Lovely. Cool bintang is nice.
Yeah, matey.
Enjoy your lady, brother. Enjoy your day. All good, yes. Wow, this inside. Wow, busy inside. A lot of tourists over there is good. Hello, welcome to Bali. Where do you come from, brother? Perth.
Yep.
How the weather? Is it cool?
Oh, it's nice.
Oh, it's nice.
Not hot.
Yeah, Bali also beautiful. Yeah, I mean the weather is just so nice. Sunny, not so hot because got wind. Enjoy your holiday, yeah?
On holiday, mate.
First time come to Bali?
No, I've been to Bali many times.
How many times? So easy for you. Enjoy your holiday. Wow, busy inside. That's good. Okay, let's keep walk around this area. Hello. Where do you come from?
Australia.
Kidai, mate. Aussie. Enjoy your holiday, eh?
Yeah.
Wow, busy over there. It's good. My friends living there. Wow. Wow, cantik mbak. Yeah, this is for shopping area in Legian Bali. Across street, a lot of tourists over there too. It's good. Busy. Even here. Few tourists having buy souvenir and they shop. You see? A lot of tourists over there. That's good. Quite busy, isn't it? .5 wide angle to cover all the capture all the people in here. Woof. Busy. That's good. Wow, so what do you think of this area? Busy, but not so really busy as the last video when I make video in this area. Maybe they are go to the beach to see the sunset because the weather is just so beautiful. I mean, very sunny, good for sunset. Maybe that's the reason they are going to the beach to have waiting for sunset over there. Oh, sorry. This is Kmart. The way to go to the Kmart, and I already made a video over there few weeks ago already. Okay guys, so this is our gym today in Garlic Lane Legian Bali. So what do you think? Not really busy, isn't it? Really sad actually. Okay guys, if you guys find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the station at the moment at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. And don't forget to the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you so much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Quiet.